23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pasture. He leads me beside the quiet waters. He restored my soul and guides me in the path of righteousness for His name's sake. For even though I walk through the valley of death, I know fear no evil, for you are with me, and your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me, in presence of my enemy. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Surely goodness and love follow me all the days of my life, and dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Psalm 23.